Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. Today is a very special video that I put together for you guys. I wanted to share with you guys my niece's very first birthday and how you can at times turn a bad situation into a good one. On this day, which is her first birthday, we were supposed to have an outdoor butterfly garden theme for her first birthday at a beautiful park. However, it started raining really bad that day, guys. Like, I couldn't even get any footage to show you guys the park and how it looked because it was raining so bad. So we had to really think of option B. And then that was to, of course, move it indoors because we couldn't just, cancel her first birthday party that day because we had went and planned so much for her birthday. So I just wanted to kind of share with you guys how I had to turn a situation that could have gone really bad into really good, fun, and special time with family and friends for my niece's first birthday. And I am super happy of the outcome of that day, even though it was a little bit stressful because you have to reprocess your mind on how everything is going to be placed or put, or how you're going to decorate a whole new different space that you didn't even really plan for, and how you can just use that space and turn it into something magnificent. And I felt like that day that was accomplished. Even though it was last minute, we were running against time for her birthday, but I felt like, I had put it through and everything turned out perfect. So just let me know what you think. This is just a small little vlog that I wanted to share with you guys for my niece's first birthday. I wanted to share you guys how you can just basically turn a small space, into something so lavish, into something so, luxurious. As you can see, I had the grass you see on the ground. I had to use it, in the space because we were supposed to use it outdoor. So I figured out a way to still incorporate the fake grass for her birthday party. And as you can see, the backdrop turned out absolutely stunning as well. And if you notice, the backdrop is pretty tall, so I'm glad the ceiling was tall enough for the backdrop. I really love the linen that I had used for the table, even though that was what I did not originally wanted to use, but I had to make up last minute plans and using this linen. And I really love the vibrant colors of the balloons and how I added the beautiful butterflies into the balloons. Shout out to My Balloon Decor for the balloons. If you need balloons, you could definitely check them out if you're in the Orlando, Florida area. And I just really love the turnaround. As you can see, I added some beautiful butterflies onto the kids' chairs, and it was super cute touch. Also, shout out again to Jeanette for this wonderful and amazing cake that she did. And I just really love the balloon garland that you see here on the table and how it turned out. So I really hope you guys can enjoy the rest of this video. It was an amazing time that I have with my family and friends. Shout out to my baby sister and brother-in-law, aka Sophia's parents, for wanting this day to be super special for her. They really wanted her to look back on this day and see how special, we wanted her first birthday to be. And baby Sophia, you see right here, and she looked absolutely adorable. And she's already walking, but she was sleeping and she just woke up. And she is so special and dear to my heart, and I'm just really happy that I could make this day really special for her. And hope you guys can enjoy the rest of this video.
Get on up there.
We got nurses here.
And she acting like she's not practicing.
We got two nurses right here. And you got a nurse. That's like the perfect, listen, that's the perfect place to start choking right here.
Ari, are you eating your food?
We got people that would know what to do.
No, are you eating your food? Sophia, are you eating your food?
No, she's not. So I have to see what I can. Oh, no, just get me some mashed potato only. So I can give Sophia. Elena.
always a good time. I love this family.